Except the EDID setting from the remote country, we also can do the EDID setting from the push buttons. We can just press the EDID, then select the input port. Like if you want to do the input 2, press input 2. And we can just press up and down button here to view like different EDID information. After we've select the right one, we'll just press enter button. If you want to set the EDID for input 1, press input 1, press down and or up button here. Then press enter. We press EDID K again, you will back to the home page. So this is about the EDID setting by remote country or by the